Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to learn how to make these really cute origami butterflies, and they're really easy to make. So let's get started. What you will need is a square paper. We just need to fold both the diagonals. Like this. Now you need to fold the paper in half and then the next half. Now, can you see this triangle? We need to fold this triangle inside the paper like this. I will just show it again. The paper was like this and we have folded this triangle inside. We have to repeat the same step here. Like this. Crease firmly. Now we need to fold this flap starting from the center line till here, just some point away from this corner. Like this. Repeat here. Please note that they should be at equal distance from this triangle. Okay, now turn your model over. Pull this corner above this edge like this. Can you see? This triangular portion is at front of this line like this. You do not need to flat paper here, just pinch it from the middle, in the middle. Turn the model over. Can you see this triangle? You need to lock the model by folding this triangle down like this. Crease firmly. Alright. Now you need to fold the model in half from the center like this. Like this. You can do one more variation here. If you don't like these pointed wings, we can also curve them. Can you see these pockets? You need to hide some paper inside like this. Alright, repeat on the other three wings. Make sure that they look symmetrical, and yes, your butterfly with round wings is ready. You can choose the model according to your tastes. Either you like the round wing one or the pointed wing one. Both are pretty. Thank you for watching this tutorial.